If you have one of these late model Panther body vehicles, a Town Car Grand Marquis or Crown Victoria, you might have a problem. You'll notice one day here, can't believe I've driven this car 1,000 miles. I parked it and came out one day and saw this. So that is your power steering pressure switch. And what's happened is the plastic, I guess, has a small crack in it, allowing the power steering fluid to bleed out, which is giving you, well, this wonderful coating. So to start out, what I normally do in this instance is I hose everything down with brake cleaner, then I disconnect the wiring harness, hose it out, and I install a new one. So let me show you how you do that. Okay, so now taking 19mm wrench, go up top, get a bite on the line. Now if you do this like this, the line's going to move, so you got to get your hand in there to add some pressure and pop it loose. Here's the replacement part from Ford. There's the part number. As you can see inside, it does include a new O-ring. It's also got the part numbers listed there. That's what it looks like with a 2-pin connector, even though it looks like it should be 4. So as long as you're fast about it, you should be able to spin this out by hand and quickly spin in the new one. So just get ready and you can do it. Okay, so the new switch is on and plugged in. Somebody else put a Sharpie on that, but it's marked. The old one is here where it was leaking. If I remember correctly, these have a sealer that goes between the base and the plastic, and the sealer dries out from the heat or something. Doesn't matter, it's leaking. So here's the new one. Here's our keys. Let's fire this thing up. See how it does. This thing hasn't been running quite as few weeks. It's fired up without the problem. Nice. Don't see any new leaks. Good. Gotta clean that leak. At least this one has stopped. Good. We'll do a quick steering maneuver. Sounds like a Ford. Typical whine, but staying at max. Anything new? Nope, nothing. All right, mission accomplished. Thank you for watching.